They cannot make history. Who forgets history? Today, we are talking about the legendary figure of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji. वो कोहिनूर पिता रामजी मालोजी माता भीमाबाई जी के घर जन्मा था। Despite his father being a subedar in the British Army, young Bhima Rao faced severe discrimination firmly. He was forced to sit on a gunny sack in school, not allowed to touch water containers, and suffered intense humiliation in room. He faced approachability in caste-based Dalit fraternity, so much pain in his innocent childhood memories. छोटी सी उम्र में माँ और पिता को खो दिया था। हाँ भाया In 1887, he moved to Mumbai, became the only untouchable enrolled student at Elphinstone High School, supported by scholarships from the Maharaja of Baroda. Gujarati graduated from Bombay University. He earned doctorates in economics from Columbia University, USA, the London School of Economics, UK. He also qualified barrister at law in London. कमाकर फिर भी उन्होंने जेला जाति और दालिता भेदभाव भारत वापस आकर He led the Mahatsatyagara in 1927, a landmark movement to secure the rights of Dalits to use public water resources, and protested against the denial of entry to temples. He published newspapers like Mukti Nayak, Bahishkrit Bharat, to advocate for social justice. Upon independence, he was the first law and justice minister, invited by late Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. As the chairman of the drafting committee, he drafted a constitution that guaranteed equality, liberty, and fraternity, and abolished untouchability, Article 17. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. किसी समाज की प्रगति का मापन उसकी महिलाओं की प्रगति से किया जाता है. What he said, he did that. He pushed for the Hindu Code Bill to give women property and inheritance rights. He converted to Buddhism along with over 5 lakh followers, seeking a path of equality and dignity. His motto was educate, agitate, organize. Shikshit karo, andolan karo, sangatit karo. Awarded Bharat Ratna after his death. His legacy is taken care by Bahujana Hitaya Bahujana.